Okay, we're back to doing some facing cuts. This piece here is just where the head was for pouring this out of aluminum. This is a 3-pulley setup. I think I mentioned that in the other video. And it's got the sand kind of caved in one spot, so take a little bit to knock them off. And I'm just going to do a couple facing cuts so I can put this in the chuck now that it's trued up. Might do one more cut along that. This will eventually get cut off to mount the pulleys. And it's for an old drill press. It's a belt pulley setup on it. The pulleys were missing. Somebody changed it to a single V-belt, and he wants it back to adjustable or variable speed. Gear noise is definitely annoying, so I'll have to fix that pretty soon. Worst thing is it's quieter right now than it was when I first got it and started her up. A lot of cleaning and adjusting, and we got it where it is now. Had it over by the bandsaw. I should have knocked these off too. The only reason I'm actually facing any off of this one is so when I turn it around, see how accurate this chuck actually is. Since I've got the shaft machined down to hold it, face this off, or I should say take some off the diameter of it. And then when I turn it around and put it in the chuck, I'll see how true it actually is. Been using it for a lot of roughing projects, parts that aren't that critical. And yeah, it does need a new belt. That's actually the drive belt that was slipping a little bit there. Pretty nice. Better than I expected. Yeah, there's actually only about a probably 2/1000 run out on it. About normal for a 3-jaw. Touches through there. And so by the time I leave a line all the way around, it's about 1.5 thousandths. Not too bad. This actual first section's a lot longer than I needed. I figured that way if I had any sand in the end of it, it'll clean up better. It'll actually end up only, it's 4 3/4 inch belt is what he said he wanted. And I've got about an inch there. This one's a little better. That gives me a little more room to turn this down and even these out even. But we got 2 1/4 here. I believe it was 1 3/4 inches, so 1/750, and this one was 3 1/4, and this one was 4 1/4. And I've got plenty to play with to get down to a nice finish. It does have a little bit of porosity in it from when I poured it. I do have a degassing agent I put in aluminum, but I didn't use it this time because he just wanted them done quick and I had time. kind of roughing them in by hand. So let's see what I've got. I'm going to go through and see if I can file that tooth on that gear a little more and get them adjusted better before I use the auto feed anymore. So just freehanding a bit. See how the casting actually turned out. Close enough for now.